Hello and welcome to SQL for Oracle database course. So in today's lecture we will understanding the second sub-language. It's called data manipulation language. Data manipulation language is used to retrieve and review data. So we have the select clause is used to select a specific column name. We have from is where you specify the table name. Join if you need to join multiple columns. Where is used to set your conditions, and group by to group multiple columns into one group. Having is where you set some of your conditions, and order by is when you sort your data either by descending or ascending order. So I got the SQL Developer opened, and in today's lecture we will run the DML. So select a strict from employee. We use, so for example, if your manager and came and asked you to give me all the columns name within the employee table, so we use the select to retrieve all the columns name within the employee table, and the asterisk is used to select all the column name. Okay, and if you need, for example, to select, you need specific columns. For example, your manager asks you to give me the first name and last name and the salary, and set specific conditions. So for example, select first name, comma, last name, comma, and salary. Okay, so from table is employees, and here we'll start using where is used when you need to set up a condition. So for example, where salary is bigger than 10,000. Okay, and it can set another condition, for example, and if you check, we have department ID. For example, I need the employee that have more than 10,000 salary, and then with department ID is equal to 90, and department underscore ID equal to 90. Okay, so this is the where condition, where you set up your condition where salary is bigger than 10,000 and department ID equal to 90. So we filter the data by using the where conditions. We need the salary is bigger than 10,000 and department ID equal to 90. And then if you need to sort the data in descending or ascending order, we use order by salary. Okay, and give this one descending order. Close this one. So if we run this statement now, so select first name, we have the first name, last name, and the salary. This we are specific our select. We need to review all the just the first name, the last name, and salary from the tables called employee. Where is your condition where you filter your data, where salary the bigger, only just the employee that have salary bigger than 10,000, and department ID equal to 19. So only for the people that belong to this department ID is 19, and order by salary descending. So this descending just to give you the salary descending order. If you need ascending, so just put ascending. Okay, ascending order, and run this statement again. So you have the salary with ascending order. Okay, so let's gonna open a new SQL worksheet. Okay, now let's gonna select all from housing, semicolon. So if you check, I have the housing ID and the house size, I have the price and the house location. So I have this table, only the column name, and today we're learning how to insert a data to our empty table, the one that we created in the previous lecture. So we use insert is, and we use the insert clause, insert into, the table name is housing, okay, values, open parenthesis, this is for example the housing ID 1, the house size for example 200 meter, and the price for example 300, 1 2 3 4 5 6 million, and the location for example house location, you have to be the single quote, for example this in Basra, okay, and close the single close and then close the parenthesis, colon. So if we run this statement now, one row inserted. If we check select all from housing, you will see we add the first row to our housing table. If you need to add another one, you can either change it from here, for example this is 2, okay, for example this is 300, and the price is gonna make it 4, and keep it, change the city, okay. If you run this statement, one row inserted, you can check we have another row. You can do like that, you can take a copy again, give it here, because the Oracle database don't allow you to insert multiple at a time, so you have either to change it from here, or you take it the copy paste and you can change this one. For example this is 300, and you can run it multiple times. This is the house 3, this is for 100 meter, this is gonna put the price for example 6 millions, and you can back this to Basra. So if you run this one now, so one row inserted, okay. If you run again, so we have 1 2 3 rows added to our housing table. This is how to use the insert clause within the DML. This is part of the DML, data manipulation language. So if we need to update on the housing column, we use the update. We have to set the table name, housing, okay. We use set, for example we need to update the house size, set house underscore size equal to, for example we change it from 200 into 250, where house underscore size equal to 200, and put the semicolon. So we use the update, we set this update clause, housing, set house size equal to 250. So this is the house size that I need to update, is within the set clause, and then where the house size equal to 200, where the house size equal to 200. So he will replace the 200 with 250. So if we run this update statement, one row updated. If we check again, select all from housing, so you will see the house size changed to 250 square meter. If we need to delete a specific row, for example we need to delete the third row from our table, we use the delete function, from housing, where the house underscore size equal to, for example 400, okay. close the statement. So delete from housing, we delete from housing table, where the house size equal to 400. If we run this statement, so one row deleted. If we back to selector from housing, you will see the whole row number 3 is deleted. This is all you need to know about the data manipulation languages. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.